Not
You landed that!
I'm not gonna break. You need to go get the flipping.
We
need a jackhammer.
Philip!
We need a jackhammer. We need a jackhammer, Philip. We need a jackhammer.
He sees his 2 kids trying to break the
3, not 2. The camera's not focusing.
This is a hard lock.
It is a master lock, after all. Wait a minute, hold a minute, hold a
What's
minute.
that smell?
That's
Hold on a minute.
Is that raspberry?
Safety first.
We don't need safety.
True. No, it's not like it's gonna break.
You need the 25-pound nose. Correction, 20 pounds.
It's not working.
Philip, we need to go get.
If something goes wrong, how can go wrong in the title? You smash your foot, it's going in the title.
the title's gonna be out.
Now it's gonna be
It's starting
trying to break Master Lock gone wrong.
NASA lock.
Master.
NASA.
if it was a Master Lock, it can't be broken.
No, it's got the biggest. Do you see that big spark?
Yeah.
Oh, the huge spark. There's powder coming out.
I don't think it's gonna work, Philip. I'm gonna try watching for cause.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
If you smash your fingers, I'm putting go wrong in the title.
Oh! One piece hit me in the face.
Well, put gone wrong going in the title. I'm putting go wrong in the title now. Now I'm definitely putting it in.
Pause that and replay it somewhere else.
No. I have to delete all the footage.
Dude, that thing almost shot fire.
Alright, no.
Fire hit me.
Well, I'm definitely putting gone wrong in that title now. Can you hit it?
If we had a clamp to hold the metal piece, we could hit the bottom and
Yeah.
completely shed it.
Yeah.
That's the thing. It's tiny, thin layers of pure steel. So
How it hit that? Missed.
look at the handle. That's the thing. This is an old ball pen hammer.
Yeah, does that make it strong or weak?
If this doesn't work, you gonna try to use the metal one. Some of those parts that I made it out of are stolen. I'm joking. It's pieces
Fire
up to an
just
old
hit my
bulldozer.
Fire hit my ear.
Hey, look who's coming!
Caitlin!
You probably can't see it though, because the camera won't focus for some stupid reason.
Feel the bottom, it's hot.
Hit it
This is the
again.
higher.
Keep hitting it.
Fire hit my
We're
ear.
breaking a master lock for a YouTube video.
Yeah!
Fire hit my ear.
Going on YouTube.
Hang on, look.
If you can hit it.
If this was ball
see it.
versus asphalt, we'd have a
I made more
victory.
fire than Phil did. He only did it once.
Jesus! You're bending it a little. Look, and that's her boyfriend. Now back to the video.
That's her.
Is
No,
it
that's his
boyfriend or
husband. That's her.
I don't give a crap!
That's her husband.
I don't give a crap! Well, that goes gone wrong in the title
The
again.
entire ground cracked.
Let me see it. Oh, here.
How do you get your ass kicked by a
Put it
master
on the
lock?
ground now. Put it on the ground. Put it
Ow!
on the ground.
You
I'm gonna
get
it.
hit by a master lock.
I'm gonna make fire go everywhere. Put it on the ground.
Back away, people. If you can hit it.
Asphalt. Face.
Look, it's even hot.
I just
I made
ate a
fire.
piece of asphalt.
I made fire. I made fire hit my ear.
He did.
Is my ear red?
Yeah, little.
No. Push it back away.
It's an old ball pen hammer.
He hasn't.
I know.
He hasn't
If it breaks, we'll use the bulldozer sled.
Yeah, he hasn't.
It's going towards ya.
The ball piece is actually better. It makes fire.
So, is he actually breaking
The
that?
wood is coming off.
The wood, but not the master lock. How strong is this thing? It's
Dude, this thing is hard.
Oh my god.
How'd you pick a lock like that? How'd you pick it?
How rednecks pick locks, boys.
How'd you pick the lock like this?
This ain't a hammer. This a redneck lock pick.
Well, how do you pick a lock like that?
Caitlin, it's not a hammer. It's a redneck lock pick.
Glock pick. You said Glock pick.
I don't care what we picking.
You're gonna open
Just
up
don't
the
pick your
box.
nose with the dang thing.
What we're doing, we're trying to open up a fucking Glock 17.
Try to open the fridge with it.
It opens.
A little.
I have a broken fridge.
Is your refrigerator running? Yeah, he's running on the treadmill right now.
Is your fridge running?
Yeah.
He's gone. We lost him. Great.
He's trying to make fire.
You missed.
You gotta hit the concrete and an angle to make fire. So you only make fire when you miss the lock. The lock, man.
I want that.
I broke it.
You completely. That time you completely
Throw that
missed.
in the woods.
You completely missed it that time.
I can't believe I fucking broke that. Here, stop.
Megan, no cussing. Remember, you should have done that.
Stop recording.
No.
Let me see it. I broke that off.
Yeah, he did.
That would kill a man.
Okay, now you can open the wine bottle with it.
Guys, see if I hold the camera up, they'll really run.
Run.
Levi.
Wait, Caleb,
Always
wait,
get
I
your
know
way.
what that's really good. I got it.
What?
I know what this really is. I know what this can be now.
Can we get that mallet?
This can be
Yeah.
What if that thing breaks on the first try to make it?
knuckles.
The one that a bull's part, right? The real beef. Dude,
And also, guess what? This is gonna be brass knuckles.
it's getting looser.
It's
I
gonna
say
be
brass knuckles. Brass knuckles are illegal.
No, they're not. Pat,
They're illegal.
my grandpa technically
That's
owns
the kind
it.
that my big sister takes. Jessica. Yeah, Grizzly. My dad takes Grizzly.
So does my dad.
You ready?
Yeah. Did it work? Did he break it open?
I have no idea, but that thing's hit like that thing like a hurricane. Movie references.
Dang
I don't
it!
think that movie's came out yet.
Which one?
The one that says "hit you like a hurricane" in the trailer.
Oh, hurricane! Well, crap, that's copyright. Copyright.
No, if it's only a couple seconds of it, it's not copyright. I don't think.
Let me try this.
Anyway,
What?
No.
Hold on, I'm trying to break this.
I broke the concrete.
And it hit me on the head a little.
Holy crap!
What you doing? Did it break? Yeah!
she's gonna close it.
Yeah, we broke it! Wow. Wow, you just got me demonetized.
How?
Did not.
I haven't seen girly looking at clothes.
I got her ring, guys. That's fun. I got her ring.
What's going on over there?
Where did the lock go?
Right here, I got it.
Get on the net.
Asphalt some more.
Where's the asphalt?
Right here.
Oh, mega.
Right. Okay.
Oh God, did it go back
Have
in? Dang it.
No.
How strong is a master lock, people? Tell me. I don't actually know. I don't actually know. How strong is it? It's pretty strong if it can survive a lot of this. It's still ain't breaking. It's only open. I've only been able to open it.
Let's Master Lock like sponsor us where we're showing how strong this thing is.
Oh yeah, I got sponsored, baby.
Then it opened, but it ain't gonna break.
That's how strong these things are. Master Lock, please sponsor us.
Dude, it's like two dented to close.
Master Lock, please. Master Lock, please
After one
sponsor.
hammer and a rogue, it will not close.
We found the truth. Master Lock, please sponsor us. We're poor. Why are you asking me? I don't know.
She's pissed.
Of course. Master Lock,
Look, Tegan.
Master Lock, sponsor us. Please, we need the money, we're poor.
Oh.
It won't close back, Tegan.
And then he hit it onto the gun and it closes.
What? Where's it at? Somewhere over there. No, in the road. It's closed.
Master Lock, sponsor us.
It closed.
Holy crap, Master Locks!
Dude, this thing is not gonna open again.
I just got hit with some of that. I got hit with debris. You're breaking the road. I can't even keep up with the Master Lock anymore. God, let's see this thing. Let's see how it turns out. Okay. This has gone on for like 11 minutes. 11 minutes of trying to break a Master Lock. Let's check the damage. I feel like it's gonna burn me. Look at that, people. Look how strong a Master Lock is. It was open and the road closed it again. That's how strong these things are. People go buy them. Master Lock sponsor us.
Eat shit on Your host. Leave.
All right, guys. Starting to get jiggly.
Get jiggy with it.
Run from the counter. Run from the counter. Run.
Why? Where? Hey, that almost hit you. That Master Lock almost hit you.
Lock. It bounced too far.
This has gone on about for 12 minutes. This has gone on for... Trying to break a Master Lock has gone on for 12 minutes straight.
And from now on, if I have any more anger issues, I'm gonna buy me a couple Master Locks and some asphalt.
Yeah. That's what you do. Let's...
I'm about too tired to punch man.
If you're too tired, I'm punch something. Get a Master Lock and throw it. It'll help.
I live.
How?
I don't know.
Oh God! Are they home? Are these guys home? Well, this is almost 13. This is almost 13 minutes long.
Take it.
Die.
This is one of my friend's heads.
Hold on. Is it on lock again?
Holy crap! Holy crap, people!
Romance.
Get out of the shot. Get out of the shot. Move, take it.
Dakota's about to try and break the Master Lock. Dakota,
See if you can. Look at that damage.
Yeah. And that's
No
what-
pun intended for OxyClean. Or was it Flex Tape? I have no idea. It's the same dude. He loves commercials.
Try to get this out. Try to get this out.
You can't tell me it's not, people.
1 minute later, a comment
Aliens.
tells you can't, Kate.
It says one of those guys is a girl.
And it says it was you.
I saw fire.
I saw sparks. Did you guys see that? Probably not, because I wasn't watching it.
Did you see it through the camera or not?
Tell us in the comments, because we can't hear you, and it's it live. I wish it was. Oh God, my stomach.
Hey man, I might be getting a laptop. Then we could probably do it live.
Woo! We could done with
Where
the
did
video.
that lock go? Is that okay? I thought that was a piece of it.
Oh God, where'd it go? Where is it?
There it is.
Oh God, finally! It is literally in the middle of the road.
Let the camera see it.
So people, this is what happens. We throw it against the road about 300 times and a bunch of mallets. And about one
I haven't
hammer.
used a mallet yet.
And a hammer
Go
can do
use
it
the
too.
mallet.
Let's get to the house. Set it on the rock and hit it with a piece of a bulldozer.
Oh, hold on a minute. Free money! I got free money. Road money's the best type of money. Wait, is this real? Yep.
I think that's a penny, dude, because there was 2 pennies and a dime back there.
I got a dime, I guess. I didn't get a pennies.
There's no way you found a gold coin in a pile of pennies.
That.
Finding a needle in a haystack. Unless you're Mr. Krabs and SpongeBob and can smell money.
Whee!
I'm 14-year-old and still watch SpongeBob. Ah.
No copyright intended, please. And no SpongeBob sponsor us then.
Pure company sponsor.
Bro, look how long this is going on for.
Oh dear God, we're going on an hour.
No, just 16 minutes, 6 seconds, and...
Hey, I failed math class. That's an hour to me.
So, what do you guys say about this?
This is awesome.
I know, right?
And from now on, I'm walking everything I own with a master.
Yeah.
I kid you not, hooking up to my car.
You better. Otherwise, someone's gonna...
So there, it's like, get a shotgun. You best be trying to blow through it. You ain't throwing it. Why ain't you throwing it? Because it's not to a car. If you can throw that, congratulations, Hercules.
Oh.
Then again, I did help him get the car out of the ditch.
I bet not even
Well,
Hulk.
kind of helped him. Sort of just stood behind it and pushed because they pulled it with a giant log chain.
Hey, $5 not even Hercules could break a master lock. And Hercules just came down for a break if he
Instead of
couldn't.
doing a prayer and Zeus shoot it with a
I'm gonna
lightning
put it
bolt.
back.
Why won't this
I'm gonna
break?
put it back.
Dude, come here. I'll show you where to set it. Hey. Get yourself, Levi.
I'm still...
Sword in the Stone challenge.
Oh my God, you're the chosen one.
What? No.
We're doing something. That is some strong master lock, people.
Hold this, Levi.
I don't think I can. Oh crap, I actually can. Holy
That's
crap.
really a piece of a bulldozer.
I can tell it's heavy. It's heavy.
It's not heavy at all.
Yes, it is.
It's 20 pounds. A wooden one's 10. What came on? Nope, that was a piece of the rock. Stronger than stone, people.
It's pretty...
Let's go set it on the concrete somewhere.
Wait, what they make this thing out of? Titanium?
I'm pretty
Oh!
sure it's surgical steel.
Oh, Jesus. That's some strong metal.
I'll put this back.
Okay, people. Now, look at this master lock after everything we've done to it. It only loosened up a little.
Couple dents, a few scratches from the concrete.
and it
I have
came...
no idea where the grease and ash came from.
And somehow it's still pretty good intact. The only thing that happened is that it came loose.
Now we can use it.
No, it cannot. It is broken.
It won't seal.
It is broken.
Technically.
We can trick people that it's closed.
Oh yeah. Like,
Because then they
haha.
won't even bother trying.
It is-
Yeah, if they've tried this before, they will not try.
Yeah.
They'll pick up a naked. You know what? It's no use.
Pick up an RPG, shoot it, and still didn't work.
No,
Oh,
the car though.
Hold on, people.
oh God. We're getting a real mallet now.
How heavy it is. It's not even heavy.
This is the 10 pound.
Now this.
Breaking a lock.
It's master.
Okay.
So no.
What? For a YouTube video.
Views.
Why are you breaking a lock? Views.
Money, actually.
Yeah, that's the only reason I took up this career.
Okay then. What? Okay. Okay, let's go break this. Okay, we won't break it. Okay, let's go break it.
hole. Oh God.
Not, we won't do that. I'm not gonna use that.
Oh, people. Bro, this has gone on for 20 minutes now.
This is fine. This is 2 hours doing this video.
True.
This is what kind of walk
I played a game for 5 hours straight, never beat it.
That happened to me before.
I know it's
People stand back. You're not here, I forgot.
I
Bleh.
mean, you're talking to us. Me.
No, I'm talking to the people who are gonna watch this.
I thought you were talking to me, kind of.
No, not really. Did you break
Show
it?
you guys how strong this is.
Did you finally break it?
No.
Dang it.
Concrete.
Master Lock. This is how strong Master Locks are.
That's concrete. Oh, shit.
What?
Door.
That's how strong Master Locks are, people.
Just push this down, it won't go down.
Like, people, this is how strong a Master Lock is.
Move back.
It's pretty good to have
I'll
on you.
get 1,000 feet away.
And you break that thing instead.
That is solid concrete.
And the master
I
like
kid
still
you not,
didn't
this is
break.
not a hollow cinder block.
Look, still didn't break.
Solid concrete.
It still did, and the Master Lock still didn't break.
See?
Master Lock's still not broken.
Hold on.
You can't even pull it apart.
It's the old time tradition.
You said that. And then it breaks on the first try. And the lock breaks the first try. And then we hit it with a stick and it breaks open. How? Master Lock, people. Why are you so difficult?
Get a tank right now. It still doesn't open.
People, let me know in the comments section how much a nuke costs. I'm running out of options.
Tell us how much an RPG costs and how to get a license for
If
it.
my dad still had a gun,
It still wouldn't break.
he sold it. It was a 38 special.
That probably still wouldn't break it.
I'm pretty sure he traded it. Actually, I'm not gonna say what he traded it for on YouTube.
Yeah, we don't need any of that copyright. I'm pretty sure yeah, we don't want any of
They
that
only covered the camera, not the,
speakers.
yeah.
It don't matter. If they can't see it, they can't.
Where are we going right now?
This thing is indestructible. Master Lock, you did a great job designing this lock.
Sponsor us and send us 50 of these so we can start securing things with it.
Yeah, like people, this is some good stuff right here.
We're about to leave.
Okay,
Mama, Papa,
people, we are out.